We're 50 years old as a university. We have this little piece of history here that dates from 1901. And the windows are really beautiful. When you're standing on campus in the vicinity, there have been some beautiful pictures taken. I think it's important that we tend to this little piece of history that we have at UAB.
It's a very tedious process. We've got to take all the lead off. We've got to be very careful not to break any glass. Some of it is broken, which will be replaced. That's just an old window. All of them have it. It's very neat. It's an honor to be able to do it. Number one, just a beautiful building, and to be able to take the old windows out, restore them, put them back in, basically brand new, and they'll be there for another 100 years or however long. But it's really, really cool.
It's an important symbol of the continuity between the past and the present, and that it provides a sense of connection between UAB and its communities. And so I think that that's really important to us, that here, as we're young and we're innovative and we're new and we're growing, that we still have this touch of history in our midst.